get ready with me to try to attempt a back walkover. I'm terrified. I've never been on a competition team before. This is like my first year. I've always wanted to do competitive cheer, so I'm really excited about that. But like, I'm like actually terrified because the choreographer is gonna come for our cheer team. And so literally, I love this toner, but I hate that it's so hard to fall out. I mean, like it's so hard for it to get off the tube. Anyway, like I'm so scared because
you're scared. You
I
said
literally
it like 10 million times.
I would be able to do a kickover if I wasn't terrified of going backwards. Like, okay, but besides that, I'm literally happy that I got Glow Recipe because
if you make that face,
and I had to get the mini ones because, girl, I'm not spending $36 on the regular one. No. And yes, I do have the bubble one, but I really like this one because it's like colder. I don't know how to describe it, but like colder, and it feels better on my skin. And yeah, I don't even know why I'm doing skincare because I know I'm already gonna get sweaty when I do try to do the back walkover. Help me, please.
No.
So yeah, I'm not using
I'm gonna say it one last time. Nobody cares. Stop.
But like, girl, what? And everybody just keeps on pressuring me like, you have to do this. You have to learn it. It's time to learn it. I'm like, okay. Like, girl, I need a spot. I need a spot. I need a spot.
I did that like 3
And
times.
everyone in the group chat is like, you have to go up with your guys if you don't have it. I can't. I can't. I'm gonna make him come on text me like, you have to tell me. I can't. Like, what? And the worst part, everybody's all like, I can already do it. Why? I'm like, my worst fear is like I'm gonna be the only one. But like, I'm really excited to be on this team though, cause I actually have friends. The other middle school team, I had no friends. So I'm really glad I didn't make the I'm so happy I didn't make the middle school team because I do not like that team. Because everyone is freaking rude. Always look at me like this. Like, if you don't like me, that's fine. But you know, don't look at me like that. Issue. Anyway, I love messy buns. I would never wear it out in public, but I love messy buns so much. I try to wear them out to like the pools and stuff, but I don't know how to do them. This is the only way I know how to do them. I try to do it cute, like all scrunched up. I'm just gonna do it like that from now on, because I don't know what to do. Anyways, I cut the shirt, and at first when I was like, that shirt was expensive. Well, I fixed it. It's like, looks good better now. Anyways, bye. This might not be a short, but bye.
Only on them seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chun-Li's anyway, yee how.